Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Love your passion for whiskey.
Thank you. 네, 안녕하세요. 오늘도 이렇게 귀한 분을 모시고 촬영을 하게 됐는데요. 바로 메이커스 마크 세뮤얼스 가문의 8대 손이신 롭 세뮤얼스님을 모셨습니다. 반갑습니다.
Thank you for having me.
모시게 돼서 영광인데요. 한국의 위스키 팬분들한테 한번 인사 부탁드리겠습니다.
By way of introduction, my name is Rob Samuels. I am the 8th generation of the Samuels family involved with producing whiskey in the Commonwealth of Kentucky, and it were my grandparents, Bill and Margie Samuels, who together created Maker's Mark. The Samuels family produced whiskey in Kentucky for 160 years before my grandparents actually lit on fire the legacy family recipe, and they wanted to create a rich, creamy, balanced, handmade bourbon, which led to the creation of Maker's Mark.
그러면 한국에는 처음 오신 건가요? 인상은 어떠신가요?
First time, second day, and loving every minute of it.
그럼 아까 이렇게 소개를 해주셨으니까 먼저 한 모금 마시고 시작을 한번 해보겠습니다.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cask strength, uncut, unfiltered Maker's Mark.
롭은 예술을 좋아하셔서 아티스트랑 협업도 많이 하셨다고 들었거든요.
My grandfather was a passionate whiskey maker, and he believed through a handmade, full sensory process, it would lead to his taste vision. And my grandmother wanted to honor his vision by creating a name and bottle design that would celebrate the handmade vision for his handmade bourbon. Today, one of the ways we celebrate the founder's vision at Maker's Mark is to collaborate with artists. And we've also raised a lot of money in our home state of Kentucky to help give back to the arts communities across Kentucky. So I know my grandparents would be so very proud. Their handmade bourbon has inspired artists here in Korea. Maker's Mark is the first craft distillery in America. My grandparents were pioneers well ahead of their time, and it's very special for me to be here in Korea with so many pioneers of culture unique to Korea.
이제 위스키 씬에서도 많은 세대 교체가 일어나는 것 같아요. 진빔의 프레디노도 그렇고 롭도 그렇고 젊은 세대로 교체가 되는 것 같은데 이거는 위스키 매니아들이 좀 궁금해할 것 같아요. 서로 연락을 하고 지내시나요?
95% of bourbon is made in Kentucky, and we are all friendly competitors. Our family, the Samuels, actually lived on the street in Bardstown, Kentucky that is called Whiskey Row. We actually were next door neighbors to the Bean family for 70 years. Pappy Van Winkle was my grandfather's closest friend in life. So we are all friendly competitors and proud of Kentucky culture.
그 진빔이 할아버지인 빌 세뮤얼스의 대부였다고 이렇게 듣는 적이 있거든요. 맞나요?
Colonel Jim Beam is my dad's godfather.
아, not your grandfather.
But I actually have a diamond. When my grandparents, who founded Maker's Mark, when they were married, as a personal wedding gift, Jim Beam presented my grandfather with a diamond-studded tie pin that I still have. Very special gift between two of the most famous creators in the history of American whiskey. My grandmother is said to be the most underappreciated figure in the history of whiskey. She is said to have created or invented bourbon tourism. She suggested that since his vision was for a handmade bourbon, that each bottle should be hand-dipped in red sealing wax, which would mean each bottle is unique, different, and special from the next.
그거를 집에 있는 튀김기에다가 녹여갖고 하셨다고 들었습니다. 맞나요?
Yes. My grandmother, Margie Samuels, actually heated up red wax in a deep fryer at their home, and she picked up a few bottles to demonstrate the power of her idea. She was also adamant that every single label on every single bottle should be printed and torn by hand at the distillery. What I'm proud of is here we are 70 years after the founding of Maker's Mark, and I believe we have produced one of the more consistent whiskeys ever made in the world.
그런 가족에 대한 얘기가 너무 유명해서요. 할아버지가 레시피를 태우면서 집도 태운 그 얘기 직접 들으신 적이 있으신 건가요?
I've heard the story many times. We actually still have the copper bucket in which he burned the 160-year-old legacy family recipe that had been passed down.
그 할머니와 할아버지의 의견 충돌이 있을 때는 할머니가 대학 성적이 너무 좋아서 그걸로 설득을 시켰다라는 얘기를 들은 적이 있는데 맞나요?
Yes. And her design has stood the test of time. We actually have the very first bottle of Maker's Mark, and it looks exactly like this bottle. It's never changed. I worked in the distillery every single summer as my job. I could manage nearly every position at the distillery, but I don't have the eye-hand coordination to hand dip bottle.
그렇게 아르바이트를 하셨다고 하는데 어릴 적부터 꿈도 가업을 잇는 거였나요? 진빔의 프레디노는 변호사가 되고 싶다고 했었거든요.
Oh, really? I actually worked for a different company in our industry for 11 years. It was great experience for me personally to learn this industry outside the shadows of Maker's Mark. And my goal was to one day be invited back home to work with my father and the team at Maker's Mark.
그래서 이번에 그 프라이빗 셀렉션도 로비 만든 거라고 들었는데 맞나요?
Yes.
그러면 이 프라이빗 셀렉션에 대해서 설명을 해주실 수 있으실까요?
Most every distillery in Kentucky has a barrel program where leading account partners are able to have a tour and at some point select a barrel that they think is better than the others. I believe we have produced maybe the most consistent whiskey that's ever been made anywhere in the world. So while there are subtle taste nuances from one barrel to the next, our consistency is more than you would find at other distilleries. So we decided to create our industry's first ever custom barrel program called Private Select.
그 오크 스텝의 조합에 따라서 맛과 향이 많이 달라지는데 예전에 롭과 빌도 프라이빗 셀렉션을 냈다는 거를 봤거든요. 두 분이 취향이 다를 것 같은데 혹시 위스키를 만들면서도 뭐 의견 충돌 같은 건 없으신가요?
My father actually created Maker's Mark 46. So his perfect expression of Maker's Mark was achieved through finishing with Profile 46 French oak stave. But my perfect Private Select barrel is a bit different. But there's 1,001 different combinations and they're all uniquely Maker's Mark, but each stave brings in a little difference in character, flavor, and mouthfeel.
지금 메이커스 마크의 행보를 보면 전통을 지키면서도 혁신을 추구한다 이런 걸 느낄 수 있는데요. 기획하고 계신 게 있나요?
Stay tuned. One of the aspects of whiskey that we have been spending a lot of time exploring is trying to truly appreciate where flavor comes from. Appreciating that whiskey is an agricultural product. And flavor intensity is achieved when we are better stewards of nature. This is achieved through our water sanctuary at our distillery, where we own and control our exclusive water source at the distillery. And we are pushing flavor boundaries through our ingredients through regenerative farming practices. Healthier soil at the biological level leads to more flavor. We also want to ensure the sustainability of Maker's Mark and whiskey for the next generation of whiskey drinkers. In 2022, Maker's Mark became the first distillery in North America to become certified as a public benefit corporation, B Corp. The highest standards of sustainability, treating team members really well, and then also giving away some of profit to the community.
대단합니다. 메이커스 마크 46을 만들면서 석회암 셀러를 만든 걸로 알고 있거든요. 거기서 고숙성 메이커스 마크가 나오는 걸 기대하는 분들이 많은데 여기에 대한 계획 같은 건 있으신가요?
Maker's 46 is finished with 10 French oak Profile 46 finishing staves. French oak is time and temperature sensitive. So at our distillery, we created the only limestone whiskey cellar anywhere in the world of whiskey. If you can keep a secret, I can share with you that later this year in Korea, we will launch the first ever extended aged release in the history of our distillery called Maker's Mark Cellar Aged. Cellar aged Maker's Mark spends a minimum of 6 years in a traditional warehouse and then an additional 6+ years in our limestone whiskey cellar. Because of the extreme temperature in Kentucky, hot summers, cold winters, that speeds up the maturation process. And the bourbon falls out of balance at around 8 years old in a traditional warehouse. So by placing the barrels for extended maturation in our limestone cellar, we slow down the extraction of all of the bitter tannins, but continue the oxidation. Maker's Mark Cellar Aged is rich, complex, layers of ripe fruit and stone fruit, long velvety finish with no bitterness.
정말 기대됩니다. 올해 말이라고 하셨죠?
I think the fall.
메이커스 마크에서 옛날 그 세뮤얼스 가문의 집을 사서 숙소처럼 꾸몄다고 들었는데 특별한 사람만 들어갈 수 있는 건가요?
Anyone that wants to visit Kentucky and experience bourbon culture is welcome to stay at this property, which is very special.
나중에 켄터키 가게 되면 한번 꼭 들리도록 하겠습니다. Cheers. Thank you.
It was okay? Yes. Yeah. Our vision for the Maker's Mark Distillery is to create the most culturally rich, endearing, and environmentally responsible home place of any brand in the world.
Thank you.